Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to turn off parental controls on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to settings, then scroll down and tap screen time. Then scroll down and tap content and privacy restrictions. Then toggle is off, enter your passcode. Perfect. Come back and tap change screen time passcode and tap turn off screen time passcode. Enter your passcode, and that's it, how you can turn off parental controls on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you to the next video.